In the latest revelations in the Saif Ali Khan stabbing incident, fresh visuals of the actor's suspected attacker from a day after the incident surfaced was seen wearing a blue shirt. In the first visual, the intruder was seen wearing a black shirt. In the visual, the attacker was seen climbing down the stairs with a quick glance at the CCTV that was installed. The attacker is still, however, at large. Doctors say that Saif Ali Khan is recovering after being stabbed and has been moved out of the ICU. Kareena Kapoor has recorded her statement with the police as well. My colleague Abira joins us with more details. Abira, take us to the latest as far as Saif's condition is concerned. Yesterday as well, the doctors assured that Saif was in a stable condition, that he's been moved from the ICU as well.
Yes, the doctor said he has been moved from the ICU. He has been put in a special room. He's out of danger completely. They also said that we have made him walk today just to see the movements, and he's doing great. There's no risk of paralysis because we all know he has been stabbed in the spine, and though the spine didn't get injured, they said by only 2 millimeters he got saved, and the knife didn't touch the spine, though there was a spinal fluid leak, but it was taken care by the neurosurgeons, and of course the plastic surgeons took care of the other wounds. That is, there were 3 wounds on the hand as well as on the neck, which was also taken care of, and he's doing absolutely fine. When asked about discharge date, they mentioned that right now he's under observation. He needs a lot of rest, and that's why they cannot tell us what date he will be discharged. It only depends upon how well he is recovering. But 1 week he has been told to be on bed rest. He's on a normal diet, so everything is fine. But there's a chance of infection in this wound which has been close to the spine. That's why they restricted guests that were coming in to see him. So nobody was allowed yesterday. We only saw family coming in, and we saw in the night Ritesh Deshmukh and Janeela Deshmukh visiting Saif. But other than that, yesterday only family was coming in and coming out of the hospital.
Right, Abira, as far as the investigation is concerned as well, there are some new revelations the police are bringing forth. We're also learning that the accused had perhaps changed his clothes because in the CCTV visual he can be seen wearing a different t-shirt, and then he was seen in the Bandra railway station as well.
Yes, the police is saying right now, all they could say was, yes, he was last seen in Bandra police station, Bandra station, local train. He might have taken a local train and gone towards Virar and Nalasopara, where the teams have been sent to look for him. There are 20 teams, and everybody has been sent in different direction to look for him. They are still trying to nab him, but it has been more than 48 hours and there has no arrest been made.
Right, Abira, before we let you go, also take us to the latest as far as the statements are concerned. The nanny had come forward with her statement yesterday. We're also learning that Kareena Kapoor has recorded her statement as well.
Yes, Kareena Kapoor recorded her statement yesterday in her residence. The police came and spoke to her. She gave a lowdown of what exactly she saw, what happened and how it happened. Also, we know that the nanny has given a statement. She was also injured. She gave a full lowdown of what actually happened, the demand that this unidentified person made when he entered the room, and he said that, I want money, and when she asked how much, he said 1 crore. And she also said how the other nannies came into the room who also got injured, and finally Saif and Kareena, when they ran into the room, how the confrontation happened. So the police has recorded at least 30 statements till now, and more are to be recorded, but the police is not talking much about it. We are still waiting for them to give us more details.